If you live in a glass house, don't throw stone. You know, this morning, I'm reminded to remind a few people in this country. You are in glass houses, you know, up Beverly Hills. Only in a glass house up at Beverly Hills. Only in a glass house, Mr. Share that live here because me I go talk the things them this morning. Me not on radio, so me can talk free, talk fair, and talk just. I see. Me go say this to you this morning. I want to big up all of my friends them from everywhere where who know I talk up the things them for me. Stephanie, big up yourself. Karen Cross, big up yourself. Michelle Stern, big up yourself. Sonny T, big up yourself. All who in Canada, big up on yourself this morning. Little Put, give me bit, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, all who uptown, downtown, Beverly Hills, north, east. Big up on yourself, Portmore, Waterford, big up on yourself, England, big up on yourself. Roll call this morning. Big up yourself. Dr. Jeremy and Garden as much as me and your bets this morning. Big up yourself, my clean friend, Olikwan TV and Olikwan Fashion. Big up on yourself. Cause I that you know want, that you know go get. Who want big up? Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Share this alive because some of them are living in a glass house. And them are throw stone and shade. I'm going to share this video this morning because it go at New York, England, London, Germany, Spain. Maya, big up yourself. Big up. Jersey, California. Big up on yourself. Philadelphia. Who else want big up? Big up. Big up every taxi man at Portland. Big up taxi man at St. Mary. Big up taxi man at St. Anne. Big up taxi man in a Trelawney, St. James, Westmoreland, Hanover, St. Elizabeth. Big up on yourself, every taxi man. Manchester, Clarendon, St. Catherine, Portmore. Big up Waterford. Big up my manna. Sue. Big up my father, Ken Nitty. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Big up Florida. A problem this morning, you know. Want to share that live here. Because I go and talk up the things them. All of the Obia workers them where I work the Obia. And I come and take on Lisa and a problem this morning. Hey. Hello. Big up yourself, my boss. Problem this morning. Let me say something to you. How is it that we know say women get raped in this country? And one of the reasons because up here rural place them live in and there's no light and stoplight and wait near bus stop. And Lisa Anna decides say she go build a modern day bus stop in a St. Anne so that nobody no get raped. Cause the lady said last night say one of the primary reasons because people are going missing and boys and women are being raped and disappear. So what she do? She take 2.6 million out of her constituency development fund. 2.6 million in McLean. And say, she go build one bus stop and Juliet Holness, I go say, Cleopatra, I go say, this is too much money. So me go ask you, when Cleopatra did build her house, my dream is to get a house to like Cleopatra and Pharaoh. Cleopatra and Pharaoh big build house for $500 and $600 million. Any Jamaican they talk about the big house, so Jamaicans don't deserve bus stop. Hey! Peter Phillips, come here there. Come here there. Make me run. 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 Me a run. Me a run. Me a run. Make me run. Make me run. Make me run. Make me run. Jamaica. Make me run. Peter Phillips. Peter Phillips. Wake up there. Wake up there, Peter Phillips. Bangarang. 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 Bang. Lord Jesus. Wait there, man. Wait there, man. Somebody tag Lisa Anna there for me. I wanna tag Juliet Holness there for me. I wanna tag them there. Tag them. Tag them this morning. Problem there in Jamaica. Problem there in Jamaica this morning. Run, run, run. So me gonna say, if you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone. Yes, man. Say never know, say Juliet. Cleopatra. Cleopatra. So me gonna ask you this. When you did a bill, your $500 or $600 million house, no Jamaican talk about you. Every Jamaican defend you. To live in a the big house. Right? But why Jamaica no question your brother? Is there any truth that you have an uncle, Juliet Holness, who is a druggist? It is alleged that one of your uncle them is a big druggist. Why you never question that? We never trouble you. But we're going to trouble you this morning. Trouble you this morning in your spirit. Why you not talk about the uncle that is alleged are the big druggist who smuggle up how much drugs go to Canada and human traffic, how much people go to Canada? Is there any truth to that argument, Juliet Holness? It is alleged. Yeah, man. Lisa Hanna decide to bill $2.6 million bus stop. And you decide say, Cleopatra, because you are the head of the Constituency Development Committee in the Parliament, are too much money. So you deserve big house and car with your pitney them, and your uncle and your mama and your papa. But Jamaicans deserve for them a zinc fence. $17 million sign on a bill. A mobile. We never talk about that. But the people them when Lisa say, where the goddess of beauty say, need to get somewhere. You have a problem with that. Me tell you say, you're not wicked enough. You're not wicked enough. And then because you're there one Beverly Hills. Yeah, man, you're there one Beverly Hills. And can look down upon the subservients and the minions and the dash with them and the ray them. Because of that it come down to, you know. When you look down, you can't say, look upon the drunk of them. Look upon the drunk of them. You can't look and say, look upon the commoners them. I saw on the style way. Because me used to remember when they used to call the people them, the workers them, commoners. I remember those days, Juliet. It is alleged. Me want to clear it up. Just as how observer and Gleaner can carry the case, but the police woman. Me want them to carry them not carry no other case now. Retaining wall costs enough money, Juliet. Yes, Cleopatra costs enough money. And you a builder. Why you not talk about the how much $300 million apartment them where you are build? Which is alleged. Why not talk about the whole heap of contract them? It is alleged that every government contract, it's alleged that Cleopatra get 25% out of every government contract. It is alleged that Pharaoh get 50%, so they might get 75% of every building contract. Facts me attack. It is alleged. And you can't test me in a court. Why do you not come after me? I want you to come after me, you know. I want you to come after me, you know. Come on, man. You have to stop it. You have to stop it now, man. Why the people them are sent on not deserve a good road? Money where the people them are get raped. Why you never say yes? This is a good project. Lisa Anna has always been talking about. Uno no want give the woman a road them. Uno no want give the woman a water project them. Only give Crystal Lee how much millions of dollars for take water project. But Lisa Anna, because she dey on orange side, uno for stop it ras. Uno for stop it in the name of Jesus. In the name of Oshun this morning. Let me clean up my mouth because I don't want to say my mouth water and full up. You see? Me never come here with no dirty mouth this morning, but I true me a talk. And me go continue talk. Me go say this, me not seek no asylum, and that them want. That them want, so them can, and them go try burn down this and burn down that. And remember how them did burn down Lam and Lynch car and house. Because him did talk against Bruce Golding. Let me tell you this a boy, yeah. If anything touch for me not afraid of no boy, no girl, no way, no dear. So Cleopatra, seeing that you're big and bad and brave, me know why you come after Goddess Lisa. Because when anything Lisa Anna put on, anything Lisa Anna could have put on a piece of black jeans pants. You have to get stylists. Lisa Anna needs stylists. A bad mind, it come down to. Bad mind on a bad mind, bad mind on a bad mind, Lisa. Let me tell you, walk out, goody girl, walk out. Walk out, goody girl, walk out. Lisa, walk out, cause your body good. Good, bang, bang, goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 goody. Yes, man. And that happened. A true Lisa and her body look good. And some of them have IGL blue. Some of them turn IGL blue cylinder. Labor right Charmin, come on for me live. Come on for me live. I don't want no labor right for me live this morning. What to what end? Let me tell you to what end. When you're in a glass house and people need betterment, Charmin Hunter. Let me tell you this. Don't call me phone, don't message. I don't want none of no call me phone. Because when you don't only talk about Juliet and Andrew are wicked. Charmin, how much time you call me and say Andrew and Juliet and enough of them in the party are wicked. Nobody come to me this man, make me call you no out. No one is benefiting. No one is benefiting. Every Jamaican is benefiting this morning. Because hear what? Them are hear the truth. Enough of them are lock up poor people's son and feed them family members. It is alleged a big druggist and dan man and gunman. Enough of them uncle in a half a tree sell weed. And everybody will get who are weed man. Them are lock them up. Yeah man, me I go answer you this morning. So Charmin, when you go talk say $2.6 million too much for bill, but stop. Talk about the $200 million apartment them. Yes, Charmin, me have all of the calls them. You never know some record you. Because me know it will come down to this. Charmin, don't make me go in and recording for you. Because the last time you call me, you talk about some things about currency. You remember? You remember, Charmin? Some things you talk about currency and weekly. You remember? Don't start me up. Because remember, so me full of the recordings them. Me not trust none of the labor right to call me not. Me not trust none of the labor right. Charmin, that time for you get black now. You get enough. You get enough. Anyway, Charmin, now go. Watch her, hear it. Yes, Charmin, you don't like curry. You don't love currency. You bad mind currency. Charmin, yes, you bad mind currency. Everybody knows say envy currency because she turned MP over you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Uno see ya. Jamaica, uno done her. Yeah, man. Everybody, Charmin, you tell me, say, I don't know if you did really mean it when you attack it. You tell me, say, currency and I deserve MP. You talk it, Charmin. You talk it. You talk it, say, weekly. Deserve to go down because weekly now look out for people in the house and in the constituency. You talk how Everal Warmington. You talk how Everal Warmington mash up Era Council too. Yeah, man, Charmaine, you remember that? You know, remember the conversation? Anyways, enough for you now. Enough for you. You never was interested in the representational politics. Yeah, man. Charmaine, your day is done now. Your day is done. Your day is done. Your day is done. Me a open refrigerator, me not keep down nothing. So Lisa Anna, me go say this to you this morning. Them don't know why. They don't know why. Them bad mind. You goody walk out, goody walk out. I will spice this thing for you, Lisa. Here I says she's no say all of my life them a lie. So if all of my life them a lie, why you watch me life them, Charmaine? Jamaicans, if you don't believe some life them a lie, tell me some life them a lie. Or tell me if you don't think them are true. I don't see no labor writer bash me, you know, except you and Susan, you know, Susan Senior. We look like the big fat Ursula, where all Susan Senior do. And mine bad man. That's the only thing Susan Senior do, you know. Mine bad man. In a Narbrook division. Me know about all of the evils them want to do in a Susan. And every minute you have to change, man, like how you change your drawers. Because it is alleged that all you do is mine bad man with parish council money. Me know no deeds, you know. Me know no deeds, you know. You, and that's why you and Carrie Douglas did turn best friend and then on a turn out because who did that take who for man? It is alleged. Carrie Douglas, you and Susan Senior still friend? Or no longer friend? Truth, see the Charmaine. Everybody say me attack truth. Who is Charmaine for tell me to stop it? Go find your liar. Go and go find your liar because as me say it is alleged. Say you call me and we have the recordings then. Yes, Charmaine. Yeah, man. So as me I go say, why me won't stop Taisha Deans? Me can't stop this morning. Me not done talk yet. Because when I done to the Jamaica, I go mash up. You see the labor right them a come here now. Daniel Richards, labor right. Daniel Richards, good morning. Me I call out all of the labor right them because if one of them will come on silently if you watch, if you go tell them in a young Jamaica and in a G2K where me I do. Him is not one of the big labor right them that was bashing me, but them a listen. The labor right them a listen. Yes, man. Charmaine, you see, no Jamaican say me attack like except you. So the laws of probability, Charmaine. If it's 1 out of a million, I say something is wrong. Something is wrong with your margin of error, which is the 3%. Morning, Nursey. Morning. How are you? Buenos dias. On the live talking the truth, them. And talking up the things them in a Jamaica this morning. So what me I gonna say is, why Cleopatra not talk about the 200 the how much apartment? I'm gonna ask a question. Uno hear you see that Horace Chang say, Security Minister says there are 6 developers that are under investigation by FIDS, MOCA and CTAC. Juliet Holness, your uncle or your brother is one of them. One of the 6 developers that is under investigation. Are you under investigation, Juliet Holness? If you live in a glass house, don't throw stone. Me not gonna be like you, Charmaine, that you only sit down on a corner as teacher and you not get to no partner draw. You not get to no years of service and when you not retire, you not retire in a rent house and you know see your currency set up herself in a life. Currency no longer teacher, currency move up the ladder. And you can't do that because currency must one day turn one minister of government. All who are fighting in a Labour Party, them for them they soon come to an end, you know. It soon be done. When all my troubles and trials, oh yes, When I get home, mighty God on the other side, come on, labor rights, comrades, let us shake we hands with the labor rights and tell them a come out to Jamaica house. Yes, man. We ain't known some good man in me ear say y'all go interview Mark Golding. But if I were Mark Golding, everybody knows Kerry I know MP. Charmaine, you know the fit them for go teach this morning. And you for come out from my life and go teach the people them. Only Kwan TV, come on there. Only Kwan TV, come on there. Me need you there. Me need the backup. Yep, Trudy, Manny, my best friend. Manny, my best friend, Trudy. My best friend Sashina chat to me because I want full argument. Trudy, so you told me new best friend. No, let me tell you who are my best friend. She named Tatiana. Tatiana. Morning, Harry. Yes, man. Tatiana, my best friend. So I'm going to ask you this. Is there any truth to the argument? Boy, the life get festive this morning. Near 500 people up on the life already. I'm not even there and fair hour yet. Is there any truth? Is there any truth that Bangel developers we want mine in the Catholic country? Is there any truth that Cleopatra get the contract for do the haulage at the mine? If you're in a glass house, don't throw stone. If you're in a glass house, don't throw stone. Me not get my partner draw. Lisa Anna not get fair partner draw for bill. This sitting for money teachers college. So me go say this stone. Everybody can be my new best friend. You know what I want for my best friend? I saw 3,000 of them want to teacher. But me go say this stone. Juliet Holness is the wife of the Prime Minister. And me I feed homeless people every Sunday. And before the Prime Minister wife become a humanitarian and help me, what she do? She sends slippers to Obi, up Ward 21. Yes, man. She send the slippers with Valerie, with some cheetricks and biscuits, not even some substantive food. You know, 2017, she sent me. All this time, I think it's 2018, me they get the attack at 2017. So right after the elections, they attack me and send me in a mad house. Yes, 2017. Because I'm going to look on the mad prescription them with the Epilim and the Olanzapine and so. Let me tell you something about them, the prescription. You see, when you take them, you start numb and you feel like, you feel like you know yourself. And I am not Andrew. Andrew is my father. Andrew Theodore Stevens is my father from Marvally, where them kill in a 2003. So now what I am saying, Jamaica, is simply this. Juliet Holness, can you talk whether or not your uncle or brother is one of them being investigated by CETA, FIDS, or MOCA for using badmanism to set up developments in Kingston and St. Andrew with apartments? How many apartment structures have you built in the last 6 to 7 years? What is the status of ADMAT that is in St. Lucia? We are told that the Prime Minister and his wife assets are $192 million. If the house at Beverly Hills is approximated for $300 to $500 million, how then can your assets be $192 million? Something is wrong. Who is in charge of the Integrity Commission? Who is in charge of the Integrity Commission? Who is in charge of the Integrity Commission? You don't say something is wrong. How can the Prime Minister say his assets are $192 million. Charmaine, yes, I know you from I was a student at St. Catherine High. I'm used to beat up your students them at St. Jacob when I debates them. Years me a debate in Jamaica. Years me a debate in Jamaica and I never lose. I must lose one or two. She start tag people now because she weak. Oh, anyways, come off topic of Charmaine. Yeah. So what I'm going to say, if the assets of the Prime Ministers is $192 million, what's the assets of Juliet Holness? How many developments do they have going in Kingston? Is there any truth to the argument that Bangel developers, Juliet Holness, Cleopatra, is the haulage contractor that is going to take out the mine out of the cockpit country? Is there any truth to the argument that the Prime Minister has sold out the cockpit country to the Chinese? Is the Bangel developers, Mr. Leachin, or Mr. Leachin, does Mr. Leachin have any shares in the cockpit country that he wants? Why is the Prime Minister so adamant and vehemently adamant to wanting to destruct the cockpit country and not recognizing the sovereignty of Chief Curry as the leader of the Maroon Town? What is there that we don't know, Jamaica? What is there? What is there, Jamaica? What is there? Every MP must them poor. All of a sudden, so them start disrupt the connection in the area so that them can. But what I'm going to say to you, Flow Jamaica are coming to change my phones today. I can't get the connectivity that I was promised by the other company. So I'm going to come and change my phones today and switch over with number portability. So they said money is the root of all evil. They said money is the root of all evil. They're trying to manipulate my lives, man. They're trying to manipulate my lives. But I'm going to say this to you, Jamaica. We need a new Jamaica. We're going to get a new Jamaica. Everybody's saying that something is wrong. The woman is building one thing for $2.6 million. You're a developer, Juliet. Juliet, you're known as a developer. What is the most expensive thing in development? Retainer walls. Retainer walls. Why then are you going to scrutinize the woman? The woman published. It's not she who is building it. That's why I'm not like politician no more. And don't think I am advancing Lisa Hannah's conversation because Lisa Hannah has some ways about her that I personally don't like. You see that conceitedness, Lisa Hannah, when you do the video yesterday, yeah, sip tea and you're going like you're better than. Lisa Hannah, why couldn't just start the truth and stop being a narcissist and always try look beautiful and pretty? Talk no, Lisa Hannah. Every Jamaican they on your side yesterday, but you'd have to make it look bespoke and avant-garde and chic and clean makeup. Lisa, you don't need makeup to come alive. Every Jamaican love you. Everybody in the diaspora love you. Become relatable, Lisa. Become relatable. Become relatable. Some more Jamaicans and in the diaspora can say, Lisa! Because Mark Golding a damaged product, you know. Mark Golding a damaged product, you know. But me I go say this to Lisa Hannah. Me I go say this to Lisa Hannah. Me I defend upon this campaign. Me I defend upon this campaign. Jamaica, nah, say the road, the bus stop no bill. Because Juliet can build $300 million house or $500 billion house. Yes, that's true. Jamaicans deserve $2.6 million bus stop. Wanna build $17 million thing a Montego Bay and nobody no talk about it. Judgment. Judgment pass some of them. Judgment again pass some of them. Greetings, my boss. Where are some, my boss?
You have to support the new party, brother, man.
You know, I'm going to say this to you. I'm going to say this to you. I sit and I spoke with Joseph Patterson, but it's the first in many conversations that has started, right? So when the conversation heat up, I will know if Joseph Patterson is ready for Jamaica. Me just talk to him. I forgot to have some more conversations with Joseph Patterson. And me I go say this to Jamaica. Me I feed the homeless people them this weekend again. Me need some help. Me want the 300 care packages. Me need some help. Me need some help to feed the homeless people them. So seeing that Juliet caught up with the conversation, Cleopatra, you know, it's a real fear of this. Him not even say make him come help me feed the people them. But me say when Israel was in Egypt's land, let my people go. Me go say this to him. In my thing say, yeah man, investigation. Let me say, wanna tag the US Embassy there. Tag the US Embassy and tag Canadian government. Tag the Queen of England and tag we can't tag Boris Johnson because in both we go lose fame work. The cost of food is so high in this country. The cost of food. I out of my own pocket and because people like Jermaine will start my GoFundMe. People buy up some sardine and something. We want it reach $3,000 before now and the end of the week. If everybody give $5, $10, or $20, $100, or $50, $500. You know how much Jamaicans we can feed? I'm going to say this to you, Jamaica. I'm going to say this. See me GoFundMe there. See it here. We in which part it is. Tag it again there. See it here. Me tag me. See me GoFundMe there. See me GoFundMe there. Somebody else from my Instagram tag me GoFundMe there, you know. The food costs of Jamaica high like everywhere else in the world. But what is the government doing? Why can't the government be giving out care packages to these inner city communities a week time and the homeless people them? Right? Turn more welfare officers are not just politicians. Lisa do enough of that. You, Juliet, all you do it for his fame and glory, Cleopatra. All you do it for his fame and glory, Cleopatra. Me tired of you. Jesus, I'm tired. I'm tired of your Cleopatra. I'm tired of your Pharaoh. We're tired of no. I'm going to say this too, no. The revolution is being televised, you know. You see, the moment you come after me, you come after my business what they and think you could have take me out, but my erudite lawyer fix that for me. You come after my family, I'm going to fix that. When I ask somebody what they how much money he want, figure out my location, I'm going to say this too, no. When could have come with $1 billion US. My associate now sell me out like someone who all of them think you can do. But where is Andrew Sita? Sita, we're tired now, no. Food up, light bill up, taxi fare up, water bill up, internet bill up, and people residual income and income and not even minimum wage can raise. Why minimum wage couldn't be $15,000 a week? It takes at least $60,000, $30,000 to $25,000 for rent alone, $10,000 for gas. People have pitney and can't feed pitney. People have pitney and can't send pitney go to school. Mother have to turn prostitute at night time. Patty, basic food items, 2 mackerel, $300. When mackerel was $85 and $70 back at in, $150. You see when you do? The president could have turned shelters for feed poor people. When me see Mr. David on the road, when I have him hernia, and the man have to walk up and down and him sick. When we have to see the lady in the wheelchair, Sandra. You know much people it hurt me when me have to feed them. And oh, them look dirty and not even have clean clothes. Me have Zelle. But send me a WhatsApp. Wayne, send them what? Put up the Zelle information, Wayne. Visionaries. Put up the Zelle information too. Wayne, put up the Cash App information too. You understand, Mr. Errol? We have Bill and New Jamaica. And all these people are going to talk about one budget for 2.6 million. Like 2.6 million of money. And when them a thief out the 300 and 500 million dollar. Them a do debushing in a Kingston for $600 million. Debushing. When the parliamentary wall of $500 million. When them a use $600 million do? Me tired of them. Me tired of them. Me tired of them. The very presence of them make me find hatred to them. Cleopatra, I'm going to say this to you the next time you see in one supermarket. I'm going to send some Holy Ghost fire upon you in a supermarket. You remember what you did in a General Foods? And you run left me. See how you? And I run. See how you? And I make up face and police want to draw a gun. But she should have drawn the gun after me. She should have drawn the gun after me. Chicken now get to 400 a pound. When chicken 3 years ago. Chicken 3 years ago was $180 a pound, Harry. Chicken gone to $400 a pound. 400. 2.5 pound of chicken at $1,000. What kind of life that? One time 5 or 6 pound of chicken at $1,000. Sunny, morning, sunny, which part? Me your Bex. You come off of the life. Me a fight for Jamaica. Jamaica matters. Jamaica matters, Jamaica. Me a go say this. Send back the Cash App. Oh. Hold on there. Send the seat. For the Cash App information there. We ain't send it back there. Send back the Cash App. See the Cash App there. See the Cash App there now. So send all one you can send. No prime minister in this country. We never have a prime minister where shoot off make Maroons dead. But Andrew Holness make people dead in a cockpit country, in a the people them celebration. We have never had that in all our history them. Uno si abafa make this. Uno si abafa make this. Jamaica, only thing so we need to have a silent demonstration and protest. We now give it a garden out. We're going to send a number to Wayne. See the Forbes legal opinion Wayne. Forbes legal opinion Wayne. Yeah man. Food costs high. She a build big house. But Jamaica, we don't hear about big. She for and when them did a build them big house, them say, oh Peter Phillips did bad mind them. And them something Peter Phillips did a highlight. But Peter Phillips is a visionary. Wayne, the Zelle, just send me 150 people get murdered since January. And yet still Orius Chang and Gugu Gaga, the police commissioner, still there. The corruption with Xaymaca talk about. The inspector, they talk about. And them something they happening in Jamaica. Them something they happening in Jamaica. And when we done, people are going to say we don't have no right to talk. Like I said, it's too no man. Judgment. By force, we are taking by force. By force, we are taking by force. By force, we come here, fit, take it away. Now go well, fit. We come here, fit, take it. We said it's too no. Jamaica is in a sad place under this leadership. Cleopatra. Because I'm going to say this to you. All you know is a dictatorship indirectly. He's in charge of the cabinet and Cleopatra is in charge of the constituency development committee that decides which projects are approved and which projects are not approved. You hear me say to you? Which projects are approved and which projects are not approved. You hear me say to you? So Cleopatra can tell you, say, you are get money and this and that, and that's why she thinks she could have come bad up at your Lisa. But Cleopatra, what you need to go do, a fine, smart day to fix up your IGL body. Fix up your IGL body. Fix up your IGL body. Fix up your IGL body, Cleopatra. Fix up your IGL body. Walk out, Lisa, walk out. Walk out, cause your body good, girl. Walk out. Let me show you Lisa Anna. Lisa, that's when you're going to Parliament next week, Tuesday. Already. Already you go where? Show them say he's a fire nation from Shango. And when them talk, you say, let me tell you this boy. I saw you go chat to them in the Parliament. And tell you this girl. When you see me, I do my road work and do my water project and I build my thing for my constituency. Don't leave me alone. If you don't approve it, I'm going to make the people are mud with demonstrate. Come at Jamaica House. Come demonstrate. But who is you, Juliet Holness? Every project where you have in a life, because your Prime Minister wife, it approved. So why if you are not for approve, if you stop it? And if it is that you think that it's too expensive, why don't you give her a cheaper solution then? Why not give her one cheaper solution? No, but you want bad mind the woman. Let me tell you why you bad mind the woman. The woman know to keep her man. Cleopatra, remember say enough concubine out the claim said them and your fear of the tree song. The woman know to keep her man. The woman and her man never mix up in a nothing. She married to her man. And the people, them keep a stable relationship. Go find a good marriage counselor and fix your marriage. Because everybody knows that the marriage is not stable. All the blind Bartimaeus can see that the marriage is not stable. Go fix the marriage and allow Lisa and her marriage alone. And that it come down to call Lisa and Mr. Lake have more money. And Lisa and Mr. Lake make more sense. No, man, some of them will go to prison. Yeah, man, some of them will go to prison. So I'm going to say to you, fix your body, Juliet. Go get a trainer. Go get a trainer to fix your body. Take off the belly. Because you have nice bottom, you know. And fix up your calf then. Because them tougher than Veronica Campbell calf then. Fix up yourself and go wear good clothes. Go wear good clothes like Lisa Anna. Anything Lisa Anna put on look good. We don't know about you. People hungry in this country. So we focus on feeding the people them this weekend. If you don't want my number, take my number and call me. Hear there? Juliet put up 2 pit latrine cars $50 million in a East Rural St. Andrew. But you got to talk about, look pan Lisa and her 2.6 and you got to talk about that you have to stop it. Cleopatra. Hello, morning. Hello, morning.
You know about girl?
Yeah, who is this, please?
Yeah, I'm Stefan number this.
Yeah, this is Andre. How can I assist?
Oh, yeah, I love how your dog I beat them, and I'm going to tell your dog to just go and beat them, innit?
Beat them more.
Oh, you mean just go and beat them, G?
Hold on, then I'm going to get my belt. I'm going to get my belt, because I'm going to set some beating. Beat them. Me a be careful, man. Me not come out of my house. Me just a be careful. See it, Juliet. Stop the trouble. stop get trouble. Stop get trouble. Stop get trouble. Every day you come here, you come get trouble because you think say you're a bully. You and your husband think so not a bully. Eh? You and your husband think you're not a bully. Well, you're not a bully me. Me nah stop till you stop. You're too wrong. You're too strong. You're too nasty. And you're too bitter. You know, say every day, partner draw movement rise up. Conjure another dictator. As she are the bully. As she are the bully. She are the bully. As she tell Conjure, oh, if it behave and tell Pharaoh, oh, if it believe. More time when people get cut out of Conjure camp, as she and the boy Xaymaca and do it. Anyways, Jamaica, we gone left for us.
Xaymaca, unity. Them if you know a straight love we need in the community. It's time for us to unite, my brothers, my sisters. Let's join hands together. It's the only way to rise above inequality. One nation, freedom, my people, freedom.